The big question is this: could Bitcoin actually be in a secret bear market that's just hidden from view? It sounds a little crazy, but let's break it down.
So here's the puzzle that's got everyone scratching their heads. You look around and gold is just ripping higher. Stocks are hitting all-time highs, but Bitcoin, it's been stuck, just trading sideways for months now. It just doesn't add up with the whole everything rally we're seeing. So what's really going on here?
Well, analyst Nick Zabo has a really provocative theory. He's basically saying, yeah, Bitcoin is in a bear market, but you can't see it because it's being hidden or masked by what he calls the debasement trade. You know, that rush into hard assets when people realize their currency is losing value. To figure out if he's right, we first have to understand the mask itself.
And that mask, the thing hiding what's really happening, it's the slow, steady erosion of currencies like the US dollar. This whole concept is called monetary debasement, and honestly, it's the absolute key to understanding this entire theory.
So what exactly is monetary debasement? Well, simply put, it's your money losing its buying power. Every year, that dollar in your pocket just buys a little bit less. It's kind of like the other side of the inflation coin. Inflation is prices going up, debasement is the value of your money going down. And in our modern world, what's the main cause? You guessed it, central banks printing more and more money, which just waters down the value of all the money that's already out there.
The analysis uses this brilliant metaphor, and I think it's perfect. Think of the US dollar as a melting ice cube. Its value is constantly, quietly dripping away. And here's the really crucial part. The official government numbers, the CPI, they often play it down. They try to tell you it's just a slow drip, when in reality, it might feel a lot more like a steady stream.
And if you want a real-world example of that melting ice cube, forget the official stats for a second. The source points to something you can actually see and feel, the price of a Texas ribeye steak at one particular store. Since 2020, the price is up 72.5%. Wow, now that's a powerful sign of just how much purchasing power the dollar has lost.
You can see this play out perfectly when you stop measuring things in dollars and start measuring them in gold. Look at this. In 2025, gold has gotten stronger against the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and even against Bitcoin. Whenever you see one asset rising against pretty much everything else, that's a huge clue that the measuring stick itself, the US dollar, is the thing that's actually shrinking. The dollar is the tide that's lifting all these boats.
Okay, so if the melting dollar is the mask, what's the face underneath?